South Africa has a rich and diverse culinary culture influenced by a variety of factors, including indigenous African cuisine, Dutch colonialism, and Indian and Malay immigration. The result is a unique fusion of flavors and techniques that make South African cuisine truly one of a kind. In this article, we will explore some of the signature dishes and flavors of South African cuisine. One of the most iconic dishes in South African cuisine is bobotie, a savory meat pie that is spiced with a blend of curry powder, turmeric, and other herbs and spices. One of the most iconic dishes in South African cuisine is bobotie, a savory meat pie that is spiced with a blend of curry powder, turmeric, and other herbs and spices. The dish is typically made with minced beef or lamb that is mixed with onions, garlic, and raisins, and then baked with an egg and milk custard topping. Bobotie is often served with yellow rice and a side of chutney. Another popular dish in South African cuisine is biltong, a type of cured meat that is similar to beef jerky. Biltong is typically made with beef or game meat that is marinated. In a vinegar and spice blend, and then dried and seasoned with coriander, salt, and pepper. Biltong can be enjoyed as a snack or as a protein-rich addition to salads and sandwiches. For seafood lovers, South Africa offers a variety of fresh and delicious options. One of the most popular seafood dishes in South Africa is snoek braai, a grilled fish that is often served with a spicy apricot sauce. One of the most popular seafood dishes in South Africa is snoek braai, a grilled fish that is often served with a spicy apricot sauce. Other popular seafood dishes include crayfish, a type of lobster that is often served with garlic butter, and babajivas, a fish pie made with hake or kinklip fish and flavored with curry powder and turmeric. In addition to these signature dishes, South Africa also offers a variety of sweet treats and desserts. One popular dessert is malva pudding, a sponge cake that is soaked in a sweet and creamy syrup made with apricot jam, sugar, and cream. Another sweet treat is koeksisters, a twisted pastry that is fried and then soaked in a sugary syrup flavored with cinnamon and ginger. South Africa also has a thriving wine industry, producing a variety of world-class wines that pair perfectly with the country's cuisine. The wine regions of Stellenbosch and Franschhoek offer a variety of tasting rooms and vineyards that allow visitors to sample the country's finest wines. In addition to the dishes mentioned above, South Africa also has a variety of street food options that are worth trying.